English article the use? 10. In the last video, we talked about how we use the definite article the for things we already know about. Using clauses and phrases also help us know when to use the definite article, because often when we do, we know we are talking about a specific thing. Let's look at the examples. Can you give me the paper on the desk? What paper? The paper on the desk. On the desk tells us what paper we are talking about. It's specific. I'm going to give you some sentences now, and you guess if it's a or the before I give you the answer. Did you read memo that I sent you? What do you think? Here we go. Did you read the memo that I sent you? It's specific. It's the one that I sent you. Let's do another one. Did you listen to song that I told you about? Here we go. Did you listen to the song that I told you about? What song? The one I told you about. It's a specific song. We need the. One important note, not all clauses and phrases make the noun specific or definite. Some are only descriptive. They only work as adjectives. They give us more information, but they don't tell us about the specific thing we are talking about. Instead, they tell us about a general idea. For example, he bought the car with solar panels. In this example, maybe we're standing on the street and you are pointing at the car. It's the specific car with solar panels. We can see it and it's very specific. Let's look at this other example. He bought a car with solar panels. Okay, now I have a general idea of the car. I know that it has solar panels, but I can't see it and I don't even know what it really looks like. I just have this general idea. Ah, a car with solar panels. Interesting. To make this easier, write some examples down here. I'm here to help. If you can help me, click like, and if you want the next videos, subscribe and click the bell.